We take industry problems, put them on a box, and then we send it out to teams to participate remotely. And this actually became a really big success and is now, I think, a staple here at the Automatica, and that's how the Robothon competition was born. So we really tried to serve as a bridge between academia and industry. And so with the competition, we can interact with customers or end users who have use cases that we can then design into the task board. We can engage with companies who can then provide sponsorship money, which then drives the interests of teams to apply to the competition. And the teams we don't limit. So they can be companies, they could be universities, they could be independent researchers or roboticists.
I like the most about this competition that it's a meaningful challenge. It's not just a creative challenge, it's meaningful and provide real-world value to a lot of people in the community. And also young talents can grow a lot. They can grow in certain fields, their expertise. They can grow in developing robotic applications, and that is what matters. The competition aligns with our current work because Yaskawa launched a new product called Modema Next. And here we also like to use skill-based programming. And since we are building here reusable skills, we want to see how we can bring those skills on our platform that we can solve such challenges as well. The moment which stood out most was like the live demos, because there you really see how they solved it. There you really see where they personally had challenges they faced. And it was also really cool because there was this classical community vibe. Everybody getting together, looking at the solutions, and then also the jury meetings where we had vibrant discussions about the technical details. That was actually really, really fun.
I joined as a jury member to this competition because I find it very inspiring to see the young teams working on the problems and to see what creative solutions they create. Yeah, what is really exciting about this competition is the scenario that the task board provides for the teams to find new creative solutions. So you need to use perception, you need to solve fine manipulation tasks. So this is really a challenging thing, and the student teams can really show what the creative ideas they have and also bring some innovative ideas also to other domains, to industry and so on. What impressed me most with the finalists' approaches is a big variety of solutions at first. So we have solutions which are very performant, smoothly solving the tasks. We have other teams which provide a very generic, nice framework that shows how flexible robots can be right now. And we also had an effort by the teams also to use community software. So not only providing a solution for themselves, but also reusing ROS2, reusing software packages from other teams. So I think this was very impressive for me to see.
So I'm really excited to win. I wasn't expecting that, so it's even been more excited for me and really happy of everything around here. Our solutions stand out from the others for the use of new technology. We integrated the so well used right now LLM and VLM model, and we also use the state-of-the-art in the control side and in the task planner for the control on the motion of the robot. This challenge helped me to integrate the research side of robotics with the industry side of robotics. So other students should definitely join this competition. First of all, to have a really nice challenge to work on and to dedicate their energy, and to make a new networking for the competition with other teams around, and also to make a stronger networking with the teammates.
The standout feature of our solution was honestly following the theme of the competition, that is to e-waste recycling and reusing electronic waste as such. So our bring your own device, I think, was the reason that we won in this competition. So these days in universities, everyone's just sitting in the class, writing exams, assignments and stuff. You really don't do any practical work. So a competition, if there are students who are competitive and they want to win something, and I think they would put in more effort by joining competitions like this.
So what's novel, I think, about the Robothon competition is that we have, I think, the first competition that's really having a physical benchmark that has integrated sensors and traceability to the different performances of the teams. And with this Internet of Things framework, we actually can say that like a software simulated benchmark, we can have a real world artifact that is sensorized and provides data about the performances and some ground truth data. And so in a way, this is really unique about our competition, because I think we are one of the first to do this in the world as far as we know. And that's also been one of our staples for the event. So that's why we really like the idea, and we continue to encourage the community to pick up the idea and to brainstorm new ideas and pick it up for themselves to continue making real world objects a part of robot benchmarking. One final point I would like to add, as this has been a 5-year journey so far with the competition, and we have been very welcomed here at the Automatica in partnership with the Messe. Last year we had the opportunity to go to a more scientific conference, which is the IROS, and we hope to continue to see the community, the robotics community, adopt this style of competition where we have remote participation through a physical connected device like our task board, and they can really grow the amount of participants. Because I think one of the limiting factors that we've noticed in organizing these events is that coming to an event with your robot costs a lot of money, and also is prone to mistakes and problems along the way with visas, or maybe something breaking along the way, and then you just have a robot sitting on the floor, or a team that doesn't show up. So I really think that we have discovered a really nice recipe about holding these competitions, and I really encourage the greater community to pick it up.